Good morning. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Hope everyone is doing wonderful this morning. This is Tricia with Traders Helping Traders and waiting for the New York session to start here. We are trying to rally. Looks like we've been rallying overnight. You can see here we're in this little triangle. So I'm going to draw my Fab 4 box. I will start here at 8:30. Let's see, 8:30. And draw the box around the price action all the way down to the 200. Okay, that should be good there. I will be waiting for a break out of this box. I like to shade this one green, and I'll shade the orb red. There we go. First, I'll be trading top step. I've done pretty good with top step last 21 days. I drew a fib on the overall upward move on the 15-minute time frame. Right here on this overall upward move. So if we continue to go up, the next extension will be here and then here. And then I drew a mini fib here on this upward move here. And as you can see, we just broke through that 0.50 there, so this one is no longer valid. And we're just gonna wait and see. We can go all the way down here. This is the 0.50 on the overall up move from last night. Looks like we're going to go down here and probably test yesterday's high. Even though we got that big red bar, we're still in positive territory because everything's above the 200. Even on the 15-minute, would need to break down below here with some nice red, powerful bars. I am going to draw a little fib here. Just see when we retrace back up how far it goes. If we take out over 50% of this downward move with this retrace here, then we're probably going to go up and make a new high. Let's see what happens. There is no news today from what I see here. We've got some people speaking, but nobody important. Okay. So that's a pretty powerful green bar there, but we only got up here 50% mark. We didn't break the 50%. I will go ahead and start my orb box here on this candle. Looks like we're getting ready to try to break out here. Here we go. Awesome. Fake out maybe? It's a big wick, big rejection wick there. Just gonna be patient. Let it clear yesterday's high. Yes. Rejecting. Let's see, but it slammed into it so hard that usually when price slams into a moving average or a level really violently like that, it weakens that level. So the next time it goes down there, it'll probably break it. So gonna be patient. Looks like we're gonna get some chop this morning. Came up again, rejected again right here, right around in between the third and the 50%. Not looking too good for the buyers. The seller meaning some business this morning. Gosh, look at that green bar. The buyers really are fighting this morning. You know, this is some really crazy price action today. Let's see if I can get a push up here. Scalping. Push. the wrong way, dude. Wrong way. Are you serious? Again, this is my combine. I'm trading this with lots of contracts. That was stressful. I've had this daggone combine at $3,000 since Monday. I keep getting $3,000, and then the next day I lose it, and then the next day I get $3,000 again. The next day I lose it. It's because I'm trading it too aggressively. I need to just calm down. I'm gonna wait for it to pull back to somewhere around here. It looks like Trade Sinker is working now. So this is the demo master account here. And then this is the 3 funded future network accounts that I have attached to the demo. So when I go in, they'll all go in together. So just letting you guys see that. So the Trade Sinker is working now, and I've got my 3 funded future network accounts attached with the demo account as my lead. So when I enter, it will copy to all 3 of these funded future network evals. So I will look for an entry now. We didn't really pull back much. Looks like we're going to try to go up here. This level, maybe even up to there. I'm done after this. I'm trying to get a little bit here. It looks like it's trying to push up. I don't need much in these. Okay, I'm done. That was 600 for the first day on these evals. Again, it broke up out of this little area here. This little box here. It looks like it's trying to break up. So I just took a little scalp up, and when it pushed up, got out real quick. So I'm done with that. I did, let's see. So I did right around, between 500 to 600 in these accounts today. So I hope to pass the take profit ones by Friday or Monday, and then these 3 I've got 7 days on those. So it'll be one day next week before they get passed. So I'm gonna exit out of that. Exit out of that, and I am done for the day. I love it when I get done early. I've got the rest of the day to do what I want to do. Hope everybody has a wonderful day. Happy hump day. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Help our channel grow. and join our Discord. The link for that is below. See y'all later.